Yo, this is the Coke and Mentos challenge. Let's get into it. Who's ready, bro? Spam up the W's if you're ready. Yo, stop spamming L's. No, bro, this is big. Nah. Yo, who's ready? How many Mentos am I supposed to put in? All of that. Chat, I can't put all of them, bro. It's gonna be all over me. You think I should change this hoodie? Because I low-key like this hoodie, bro. So we shake it first, so it gets this extra explosion. And we open it. But I didn't even put the Mentos in. But I didn't even put the Mentos in. Why is it squirting? Okay, we opened it. But I have to like put them all quickly in, right? You need to do it quick. Alright. Yo! 3, 2. Oh! 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 Yo! Bro! Bro, it wasn't supposed to fall, bro. No. No, bro, that went everywhere. You think it'll still work? You think it'll still work if I put more? No, bro, that's it. World's fastest drinking is 18 seconds, bro. That's easy. 18 seconds. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Mm. 18 seconds done. I beat the world record. I beat the world record, chat.